Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best hair dryer air wrap reviews. Professional 5-in-1 Air Wrap Hair Styler features a powerful 160,000 revolutions per minute motor for fast styling without heat damage. Easily curl, volumize, smooth, straighten, and dry hair using controlled airflow. Lightweight design delivers salon-quality results, shine, and long-lasting styles for all hair types.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.